Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I got something to show you. Got something to show you. What I'm going to show you is inside this box right here. Yes, it is a SAR. I've had this firearm for quite a while, and I realized I really haven't shown it much. So I'm just going to give you, tell you what it is and exactly what it comes with. First, what it comes with, a nice SAR USA sticker. Extra set of back straps, large and small, the mediums equipped. Same for the side straps, 2 sets. Your cleaning kit, your punch to change out the side straps and back straps, 2 15-round magazines, there's the other one. But more importantly, SAR9C. This one's in bronze. I believe they also made it in black and OD green. It's a Turkish made gun. This is the Gen 1. So they're on Gen 3 right now. The difference in the newer ones is they say it's an improved trigger and like has like some cutouts and stuff like that. But basically, it's a Turkish made 9mm. Shoots surprisingly well. Not surprisingly, because I'm not surprised, but it shoots well. Fits good in the hand. Overall, I enjoy it. It's not optic ready. It's just rear sights and your front sight is fixed, not adjustable. I still want the OD green. I want the OD green. I also want the Stormtrooper one if they still make it. It's not heavy, easy to rack. Still like a close to a 4-inch barrel, a little bit shorter than the 9X Platinum. If you can find these on sale, if I was you, I'd grab one. I'm not promoting the purchasing of firearms, but I'm just saying, do what you want to do. If you're in the market for one and you see it, I wouldn't hesitate. I would not hesitate. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That was the SAR9C. Mine was bronze, but I believe it comes in black and OD green also. So yeah, if I can find one in OD green, I will certainly pick it up. If I find the Stormtrooper one, I'm gonna pick that one up. And you have a good day.